vehicle fires usually progress slowly in the early stages, allowing occupants time to escape injury. Injury or fatalities usually occur in cases where an occupant is asleep, disabled, intoxicated, or too young to escape. Most vehicle fires start in the engine compartment. A motor vehicle contains many flammable materials, including flammable liquids like gasoline and oil, as well as solid combustibles such as upholstery. Fuel leaks from ruptured fuel lines also can rapidly ignite. Fire can cause fatal or depilating burn injuries. A vehicle fire can generate heat upwards of 1,500 F. Flames in vehicles can often shoot out distances of 10 feet or more. Parts of the vehicle can burst because of heat, shooting debris great distances. Bumper and hatchback door unit, two-piece tire rims, magnesium wheels, drive shafts, grease seals, axle, and engine parts, all can become lethal shrapnel. Fires may also cause airbags to deploy. Hazardous materials such as battery acid can cause injury even without burning. Car fire causes poor maintenance. Not maintaining your vehicle well can also make it more likely that your car catches on fire. Poor maintenance will also just make your car more dangerous to drive in general, so maintaining your vehicle properly is extremely important to both the car's health and to yours. It is needless to say that maintenance is a crucial step to follow for better health of your vehicle. It is always recommended to take the car to the service station at regular intervals as prescribed by the car manual. It is also mandatory to choose a trusted technician, preferably company-owned service stations for the maintenance of your car. There have been incidents where a fuel leak or overheating of the engine due to lack of coolant liquid in the radiator has resulted in the car catching fire while on the drive or even while parked in the sun. It is due to these reasons, maintenance can help you prevent your car from any such unfortunate scenario. Car fire causes storage of combustible material in the car. One of the major car fire causes is storage of combustible material in the car. It is always recommended to never store combustible material in your vehicle. A pressurized can such as a deodorant bottle or pressurized can of air freshener could get really hot and explode inside your car when parked under the sun, resulting in a fire. Car fires can start from many different sources, but the result is usually the same, which is a vehicle that is destroyed when the fire wrecks the engine, frame and body, while also endangering others if the gas tank is compromised. However, understanding the causes of car fires can help you prevent them from occurring in many instances. 3. Accidents. Arguably one of the leading causes of car fires, although they still rarely happen. However, a hard enough impact on your vehicle that compromises the gas tank may lead to a spark which ignites the vehicle. Plus, a car fire can start minutes after impact, so if you can, clear away from a heavily damaged vehicle if you smell gas. Most vehicles' crumple zones are designed pretty well, so the sheet metal absorbs the force of a blow and protects internal, dangerous spots like the engine, the battery and even the gas tank. But really, there's not actually that much of a barrier there, so a hard enough hit is likely to cause fluid leaks and spillage, as well as heat and smoke. And, as we know, high heat and spilled fluids create perfect conditions for a fire. Since it's hard for occupants of a crashed vehicle to see the extent of the damage while they're still inside, the threat of a fire might not be immediately apparent. However, it's always best to get away from a damaged car as soon as possible. Consider yourself lucky if you're not trapped inside a crashed vehicle. Even if it does go up in flames, at least you're a safe distance away. 4. Leaky fuel system. Rotted fuel lines leak gasoline or diesel fuel onto hot engine parts, and leaks in the fuel system are the most common cause of vehicle fires. The leading cause of car fires, when gasoline leaks out of the tank before reaching the engine, it can spark and create a chain reaction leading to a fire. Proper maintenance is needed to ensure that the fuel stays where it is supposed to be. Leaks in the fuel system are the most common. Any number of complicating factors can cause a fuel leak, but they're tricky because fuel leaks can also arise on their own and with very little warning. A fuel system leak is really dangerous. Gasoline at a temperature of just 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 7.2 degrees Celsius, or above can quickly catch fire from a simple spark. It happens all the time in a running car, After all, but it's contained by the engine. And gasoline that reaches 495 degrees Fahrenheit, 257.2 degrees Celsius, will ignite by itself? It's easy to see how fuel dripping onto hot metal and plastic parts can cause a fast-spreading fire. And if you ever smell gas in or around your car, find and fix the leak immediately. Many car owners are only concerned about fuel leakage when there is a fluid leak in the car. What they probably forget is that there are other fluids that are not as flammable as fuel, but could still whip up flames. Coolant, brake fluid and windshield washer fluid are renowned for their ability to ignite a fire if put close to a condition that encourages it. So, don't ignore any fluid leak from your car because you don't consider it to be the same as fuel. If there is a leak, have it checked, regardless of the type of fluid that it is. 5. Electrical system failures. Electrical fires usually begin in the dashboard or around it. The extensive wiring in modern vehicles may be damaged in an accident. A severe collision can sever cables and cause sparks that can ignite fuel. Faulty wiring in ignition systems may short and spark fires. Severe engine failures. Many car fires originate in the engine compartment. A faulty battery may also be the cause of the fire. When a battery is not designed correctly, corrosion, which is highly flammable, may form on terminals. Airbags may explode as well. Mechanical defects. These may result in the ignition of flammable combustibles or an explosion, leading to vehicle fires. People trapped inside a burning vehicle may be at risk of being injured, as the fire can reach the passenger cabin rapidly. People may develop serious illnesses, even before the fire spreads, due to toxic gases.